economically a strong country. During the first two plans, the government fixed all prices to promote industrial growth, and these two first 5-year plan ran in Russia in between 1927 to 1932 and 1933 to 1938. So this time all the efforts were made uh, to make Russia a strong economic country. Centralized planning led to economic growth, but rapid construction, though it was a positive impact that centralized planning promoted economic growth. Industries were set up, new industrial cities came into existence, production increased, agricultural production increased, though and Russian government was able to feed the population, the starved population, but the rapid construction led to poor working condition. This was a negative aspect of the centralized planning where the Bolshevik government was failed, because they did not pay any attention to improve the working condition for the workers. The workers were still in the same condition, and that is why somewhere in some areas dissatisfaction created or developed against the Bolshevik socialist society. Even schooling system was developed and arrangements were made for factory workers and peasants to enter universities. They promoted education, and for this purpose the state schools were created. uh, Means public libraries were or reading rooms were opened for the working factory workers, and they peasants and workers were also uh, suggested or advised or promoted for the university education. So in this way all these system they made for the betterment. For women workers, creches were established in factories for the children, means those who were the women workers working in factories. So to take care of their children, the creches were established within the factory area, so that the people could be the children could be uh, mm, their nourishment their nurturing could be continued. Cheap public health care was provided. Modern living quarters were set up for workers. So these were the efforts made by the Bolsheviks to make the Russia a socialist countries. Though most of the efforts which they made, all these efforts were positive, they brought a positive change and developed Russia, means a backward agrarian country became a forward developed country within very less time. But somewhere still there was the ignorance and the negligence of the interest of the workers that created dissatisfaction among the workers. Now here you can see the history of a Soviet collective farm. This is the book written by Fedor Belov in 1955, and from this book there is a extract given in your NCERT book which gives the glimpse of the socialist society in Russia, means how the communes were developed, how the community kitchens were developed, means all the efforts. This is the real life example, this is the reality. Through this book we come to know about the reality that was existing at that time in Russia. And on the other side you can see this is Joseph Stalin, the person who introduced 5-year plan and collectivization program in Russia. Okay, he is known for his collectivization program and 5-year plan, and the aim of its 5-year plan, collectivization and 5-year plan, was to make Russia or USSR an industrial superpower, means economically to make Russia or USSR a superpower. And this he made also. This he made, though some drawbacks were there, but still Russia became a forward country within very less period of time. This was a big change in Russian history. Now we will look for the Stalinism and collectivization. Stalinism means the theory of collectivization of land holdings was introduced by Joseph Stalin, that is known as Stalinism. Collectivization, collecting means to consolidate, और in Hindi we can say इकट्ठा करना, ठीक है, together, to bring together all the small land holdings and to convert into a big land forms. This is known as collectivization. अगर बेटा आप में से बहुत से बच्चे जो रूरल एरियाज से आते होंगे या एग्रीकल्चरल फैमिली को बिलोंग करते होंगे तो डेफिनेटली दे मस्ट हैव हर्ड अबाउट द चकबंदी. चकबंदी के बारे में उन्होंने अपने बड़ों से सुना होगा. चकबंदी इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ कलेक्टिवाइजेशन प्रोग्राम.